Hey everybody, welcome to Kevin's Journey. Today I'm with my cousin, Steven. We are here. We're going on a journey. He's going to buy some flowers for his girl to drop it off at his church. And believe it or not, the church is named Journey. So we're going to be heading off. We're just going to chill. So join us on our journey. Say something, man.
What are you doing?
Vlogging, yeah.
I'm chilling. Happy birthday. Getting some balloons and getting some stuff for Christina. Say happy birthday to her. She's 34 years old. And here with my cousins. I'm at
Mark's.
Getting some flowers. Yellow flowers. That's her favorite color. It's her birthday, so I'm trying to be a gentleman.
Hey, well, we came and right now we're taking a break. We went to get something to buy to eat. Here's Steven. He's about to eat his sandwich.
Yep.
What kind of sandwich you got?
Steak with chipotle sauce and
Let's see. Let's check it out. Take a look.
steak with everything on it.
That looks good.
Yep, Subway. Eat fresh.
And what I got
Let's see. Let's see what you have.
let's see what I got.
You have some tuna fish
Yeah, that
sandwich.
looks good. Look at that. All right, we're back at the dollar store. And Steven's buying more stuff for his girl. Let's see, what you got there? What you got? Oh,
Easter blessing.
wait. Turn it around.
It's gonna spin around, Kevin.
Okay, I just stop it. There we go, that's what you got. Easter blessing. That looks really nice. So you're looking. Alright, we made it to the Journey Church. Right now, my cousin Steven is preparing a poetry for his girl for her birthday. Alright, there he is.
Yeah, I'm just writing a letter, doing what I gotta do to just expressing myself a little bit. Just, just following my heart a little bit. Just trying to write her something that from my heart and that I have been studying and been getting time to think about it and to, put it down here and leave it here at Journey Church, and hopefully she can get it, and hopefully we're in the right Journey Church. I'm pretty much sure we are. And just trying to be positive, So I'm here today just to give her some stuff. I got her some stuff that, thinking about her, just want to wish her a happy birthday and she have a blessed day on her Sunday with her children, her 3 boys. I got her some flowers over here. They'll last a long time, so hopefully she enjoys it.
Hey, show the balloon.
And I got her some balloons here. Happy
Yeah,
birthday. And
I
her
got
favorite color is gold. So I hope she enjoys this and, just thinking about her.
Okay. Let's see.
I just hope, in time, Christina can see the good side of me, and I'm willing to, be a better man and establish a good future with her and her children, and establish a good life with her.
As you see today at Kevin's Journey, I wish my cousin the best, and I hope it's his destiny to be with this woman that he poured his whole entire heart for, and hopefully she gets the flowers and the other stuff, the gifts he gave her. So I hope you guys enjoyed Kevin's journey.